statewide report says homeless young people in Texas are not getting enough help, and it's hard to identify who they are to begin with.
KXAN's Steffi Lee explains how advocacy groups say it's a growing population and the state needs to step in.
It's in our communities.
The issue exists,
but we sometimes miss the issue.
Often they're trying to hide.
Street Youth Ministry sees it.
We meet them where they are. We have all kinds of donated items.
19-year-old Claire Cole.
I was couch surfing.
Has lived it.
Feeling like I was a burden, a lot of just trying to kind of sink into the background.
Homeless youth come from all backgrounds, troubles with foster care, or even their own home.
There was a lot of conflict, and sometimes it would get violent.
Claire now helps other homeless youth find critical services at LifeWorks in Austin.
I would never want anybody to experience that feeling of not feeling welcome in your own home. I would never want them to experience the feeling of being a burden.
They're a developing young adult. They have exactly the same needs as any developing young adult.
Gabriella McDonald with Texas Appleseed says the state needs to help along with these outside providers.
There's state funding for youth, there's state funding for homelessness, but there's not state funding for youth who are homeless.
Money for more resources in schools, public awareness programs, and crisis intervention services. But for now,
we need these resources.
It's these groups that remain on the front lines.
And that was Steffi Lee reporting. The report by Texas Appleseed and Texas Network of Youth Services says nearly 1,200 young people age out of foster care when they turn 18. A quarter of them reported being homeless by the next year. Travis County is number 5 on the list of the top counties in Texas where they age out.
The Austin City Council is moving forward with plans to end homelessness. Their fall meeting with the Ending Community Homeless Coalition, or ECHO, just wrapped up. The meeting was to address how best to get people off the streets in Austin and to determine the programs that are most effective.
We've kicked off work to house young adults, people under the age of 25. Earlier today, we had a meeting about housing all the homeless families with school children. So different pockets of the community are getting involved, and that's what we need.
Earlier this week, a new audit found Austin's laws related to homelessness could open up the city to a lawsuit. We have those results on KXAN.com.